In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Line. We'll keep this simple and clear so you can follow along on any Android phone or tablet. Line is a popular app for free calls and messages, and getting it safely from the official source is important. We'll use the Google Play Store, which is the trusted app marketplace on Android. First, open the Google Play Store on your device. You'll usually find the Play Store icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. Make sure you're connected to the internet, ideally over Wi-Fi if you want to save mobile data. If prompted, sign in with your Google account. That's required for downloads from the Play Store and helps keep your apps updated. Once the Play Store is open, tap the search bar at the top and type exactly Line, calls, and messages. This precise search helps you find the correct app faster. As you type, you may see suggestions appear below. Choose the one that matches the full app name to go straight to the right result. On the results page, look for the official app. You want the one published by Line, shown as LY Corporation. Checking the publisher name is a simple but effective way to avoid imitations. The official icon is a green speech bubble with the word Line inside, and it typically has a high rating and a very large number of downloads. Taking a moment to confirm the publisher and icon ensures you're installing the legitimate app with the latest security updates and features. When you've confirmed you're on the correct app page, tap Install. The download will begin and you'll see a progress bar. If you're on mobile data and you have limited bandwidth, consider being on Wi-Fi so it goes faster and doesn't use up your data plan. If your device is low on storage, the Play Store may prompt you to free up space before it can continue. You may also see a brief permissions notice explaining what the app needs to function properly. This is standard and helps you understand how the app uses features like contacts or notifications. Let the installation finish. You'll notice the install button changes as the process completes, and you'll get a small notification from the Play Store confirming that the app has been added to your device. That's all there is to it. By opening the Google Play Store, searching for Line, calls and messages, selecting the official listing by LY Corporation, and tapping Install, you've safely downloaded Line to your Android device.